West Virginia leaders participating in a subcommittee hearing examining the opioid epidemic in America and highlighting the ways West Virginia can help. 13 News reporter Lily Bradley joins us now live with more on the important reasons state leaders are making their voices heard.
Adrienne, good evening. You know, West Virginia is one of the hardest hit states when it comes to the opioid epidemic. However, the Mountain State has also made positive strides when it comes to finding solutions and programs that make a difference in the lives of those impacted most. West Virginia leaders facing the opioid crisis head on.
Rather than hide our head in the sand and say, no, we don't have a problem, is that we're facing this problem head on.
It's a national problem, but one that hits close to home here in the Mountain State. In 2016, West Virginia had the highest rate of opioid-related overdose deaths in the United States.
There's such a precious window of time that is an opportunity when people are ready to get help, and we need to act on that as soon as we possibly can.
West Virginia University Director of Addiction, Dr. James Berry, speaking at an appropriations subcommittee hearing in the nation's capital. The hearing examined the opioid epidemic across the nation, focusing particularly on prevention, treatment, and recovery.
One of those things that necessity is the mother of invention.
Berry highlighted the many positive things happening here in the Mountain State to combat the issue. And with West Virginia being one of the most impacted states, Senator Capito believes it's important that the Mountain State's voice is heard while finding a solution.
You know, he was talking about successes that they've had at WVU in terms of treatment, and how also many more people are being able to be served, that where there used to be turned away, we now have much more opportunity for service, and that's the good news. But it's a long fight, and we're in it for the long haul.
Now, Senator Capito invited Dr. Berry to participate in the roundtable and share his experience and thoughts with the subcommittee. Now, to hear more from that meeting, you can head to our website, WOWKTV.com. Adrienne.